Welcome back, YouTube. Berkel here with another Berktopian Adventure. And today we are at beautiful Rose Valley Lake in PA with Mod, Stale Donut, and Bill. Stay tuned to see this Berktopian Adventure and many more. And don't forget to hit that bell notification and hit that subscribe so that way you can see our future content. Hope you enjoy.
Arnie says, did you fish the grass near the shore?
No, but oh God.
I know what we need to do. Oh, wait.
That's actually not a bad drone.
Right, I got DJI. Do you have the DJI minis?
No, I want one.
You have DJI mini too? I got a DJI mini too.
This is the first time I've ever actually flown it over water.
Mine is a DJI mini 2. You hear that, brand? DJI mini?
Yeah, you have the two though, right?
I got DJI mini 2. That's why
Nice.
I'm at home. I got to charge it still. Holy shit, look at him. Look at him.
Arnie says, attach the line and drop it off like they do for beach fish.
Damn it. I'm trying to get closer to the tree without getting in the tree. Fish on. Fish off, you son of a...
Was it a pickerel?
I don't know. It didn't look like a bass. I've never caught a pickerel. I've never caught a pickerel. Oh, I think... Fish on. Something grabbed it.
Brian 2130 says I gotta poop. Where can I poop out the low?
Let's go. I got one. It's nothing big. I saw my line just start taking off as it was out there. I think this was that bass. Because, I mean, it looks like it. Okay, well, I guess I got to take a picture, even though it's a small one. It's a little baby. It's nothing crazy. All right, see ya. Thank you again for everything. We'll see you in the morning.
No problem.
There's the kick green. Wait. What was Rainy out here saying about my hotel here? What was he saying about my hotel? Huh? Darth, right? The audacity. What do you guys do? What?
Jamie says, motel looks sketch.
No, it's not. It's just old. The bathroom is actually very clean. No, it's actually... so, Tennessee, dude, PA, like these little back-end little towns...
Arnie says, this is defiantly the place the local hookers come to rob people.
Shh. Listen, Lynn does. It is... Oh yeah, that's right, the light's out here. The bathroom is clean. It's clean, see? It's clean. It's just a motel, that's all. I mean, it's a place to sleep. Look at you guys. Bill's gonna be sitting there. He's gonna be like, oh, Chet doesn't approve. He's never gonna want to hang out with me again. No.
Farmer Jamie says, big-ass bed.
What? I did close the curtain.
Brian 2130 says, close the curtain.
I closed it. Oh, you guys like so worried out here for me? You think like I'm gonna get robbed in here and killed?
Still, he says, the bed is too big for you. You need a few ladies in it.
I do. No, but what I was gonna get at, these little small towns, you guys know these towns. Come on. Tennessee has them. They're small. There's not one new fancy hotel.
Gaming says I trolled Burke in person.
I'm not gonna lie. I prefer this. No cap. No cap. I mean, do I like a really nice fancy hotel? Of course. But I like this. It's homey. Do I just order something from here? Oh, order fresh food here. What do I order?
Bill Baker says, order on the screens if you want hot food.
I think that's good enough.
What's up with the camera, dude?
Huh? Me? I'm live streaming right now.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm live streaming on Kick.
On Kick, huh? Can I follow you?
Yeah, you can.
Sweet.
Are you on Kick? Do you know of Kick? It's like Twitch.
Yeah, it's like Twitch. Yeah, I know that. Kick?
K-I-C-K. Yeah, the green thing.
I'm just gonna install it just to follow you.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you have to make an account, but it's Berkel, B-E-R-K. Yeah, put it in your notes.
Yeah, put in my notes right now. And what do you live stream? Just your day-to-day?
Yeah, my day-to-day, fishing, all that, and I do some gaming and desktop.
Okay, so B...
Yep, B-E-R...
R...
K-E-L.
K-E-L?
Yep, and that's it.
Oh, I got you.
Yep, there you go.
Appreciate you, man. Yeah.
Thank you. What did he say? Turn off the lights? Turn off the lights and get out the black light. We need to see the... I don't have a black light, although... These seem pretty clean. Oh, well, this one has a burn hole in it. Yep, someone was smoking in bed, that's for sure. All right, let's look at this sandwich here. Okay, here we go. The burger thing. That's good. It's definitely good. Thank you for joining us on this Berktopian adventure. Catch me live daily on kick.com/Berkel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next Berktopian adventure.